Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, what I want to share with you guys is how you can integrate Discord with your Patreon account. Recently, I shared how you can integrate Discord with Buy Me Coffee, and Buy Me Coffee makes it so easy, unlike Patreon, because Patreon wants to be more technical. That's fine. So with that, quickly, you want to click on settings here, and I'm already on board. And you click down to apps. Okay, and so I'm already connected to Discord. All you have to do is connect for yourself, but that's not all. On Buy Me a Coffee, you're automatically allowed to choose the server on the onset of authorizing Discord as a bot for your chat or your group chat. But with Patreon, it's more than that, because you have to assign role. Perhaps if you want to create different tiers, different group chat for different tiers of your Patreon group, that's why they do it this way. So the next step is to click on your page and click on edit page. So guys, quickly, this is my membership site on content mastery, and what I share here is let me show you. Okay, so this is my tier. And what I give you in this membership site is 30% discount on all my digital products. I give you the links to those stores. I have about 5 stores, instant marketing stores and digital products for you. And we have a monthly repurposing challenge, because this is a content mastery membership where I teach you how to create a content business online, give you the tools to help you do that. And it's a stretch of my coaching program where I teach you how to take one ebook, repurpose it into 18 new digital products, one video into new digital products to create new income streams for yourself and create an online business based on content alone. So I run a monthly repurposing challenge, and the winner gets new PLR, and they repurpose it, like they get PLR packages for free, and they repurpose it to make more money in their online business. So have early access to the YouTube video of the month, and I give you the links to the 4 YouTube videos of the month which I've pre-created, and you have access to all my YouTube videos on these 2 channels on Instant Marketing, which is the Content Mastery YouTube channel and the Beginners Boost Academy YouTube channel. I give you 8 links every month to watch the YouTube videos of the month. And also you have a weekly report in response to the Q&A on the Discord group chat. And we have weekly free high quality PLR giveaway and access to me and my Discord group chat. So basically that's what you get on this membership site. So quickly, when we want to add Discord to the membership site, meaning Patreon automatically removes them when they don't pay up, what you want to do is scroll down and click on advanced, and then you click on Discord role and connect it here. When you connect it, you'll be allowed to click on the particular server, and that's it. Now if you're using one Discord group for one tier, then you have to give Patreons access to selected roles. Quickly, let's head here and you'd see this server settings, and then when you click on roles here, you can see they have different roles. Okay, this is Buy Me Coffee, one of my Buy Me Coffee membership. So this is it. For the Patreon membership, you give them different rules for different tiers of the members, so that you know that this particular tier people are going into this group chat, this group particular tier are going to this group chat, and they have different benefits for different of these people. So that's all for this video, guys. I have another video where I teach you 3 good ways to make money using Discord. Make sure you check that video out. Really amazing video, and I'll see you in my next video.